everybody, I am Sylvia, the crafty old lady. Good morning. It's a frosty day in upstate New York, and I hope you are happy, healthy, safe, and warm. So I recently made this little kind of like a nature journal for a friend of mine, and I thought I would just give you a quick flip through. So this ribbon is the closure, and then we have the front cover is it's fabric, and you can see it's nature. Ladybug spine with buttons, and then the same fabric on the back but a different area of it. So I think I got all the animals that were on this fabric, and then inside we have a library card pocket with this little journaling card that I designed, and this library card pocket came in a paper pad from Michaels. All these papers are paper pads from Michaels, so this is going to go here. Actually, I think I like it. I think I had it behind because I wanted to see the library thing. And then in this little vellum envelope is just a little note card that I made out of the paper. And that goes right here. We have it's only one signature, and I did sew on tabs, fabric tabs. And I tried to do something with all of the blank white pages. There's a little, oops, let's get back in frame. This is a little mushroom. Then in here we have another one of my tags that I designed, and this is just from a little paper pad that my son had given me, I think for my birthday last year. And I just put a journaling spot here. Some of the pages I left blank. This is washi tape, little sticker. I made some polka dots on some of the pages. This is just a little thing from a notepad, and you can do that. And then I decorated with little bumblebees. And here's a fabric tag that I sewed out of the ladybug fabric and some ribbon. And I glued another one to the back so we wouldn't see all the stitching. This is from the paper pad that my son gave me. Another fabric patchwork tag, and another page from the little paper pad. A little sticker up here. I think I was supposed to put this page next to the B page before, and I screwed up the order when I sewed it in, I guess. Some more polka dots. This is a book page pocket with another one of my tags. So that's there. And then in here's another page from, he gave me several of these little paper pads to use, and you can journal on the back of them. And then we have some washi tape across the top. This is a little envelope from Amazon. I saw these on Paper Terrace's channel, and I thought they were really cute. And inside there's a window on them, 2 little playing cards. And then I have the green one showing through. Could have the blue one showing through because this page is blue and pink, right? So let's do that. And it's just a cute little envelope. So we'll put that like this. And more polka dots. This is a ribbon and a little stamp, or not a stamp, a sticker. Sticker. Here's another page. And I thought this washi tape went really well with this paper here. And then inside here, we just have a little note card. Oh, it's just more like a business card size. It doesn't open. But this is from Japan, this little card. Inside this little blue envelope. I maybe should have it in a pink one. I don't think I have any more pinks, though. Do I? No, I don't have any more pinks this way, so I guess it's going to be blue, but there's a little blue here, so that's okay. I like to be a little matchy-matchy sometimes. Washi tape up there, another journaling spot, more polka dots. This is a book page pocket that I made, and then a book page tag. Or, yeah, I guess a tag or a journaling card. Here's another envelope. And inside is just a note card that I made from paper, from the paper pad. There's a little skunk over here. So that's what's in this pocket. And this is just a page. This is another paper pad, which I have conveniently right over here, which I can show you. This was from my daughter-in-law this year. It's got a bunch of stickers and some papers in the back. So, I got that. Oh, there's some washi tape on here that should not be here. Okay, and so this is fabric. This is a different fabric, but nature inspired. And then I put a ribbon, sewed a ribbon across the top with some flowers, and then there's a hidden journaling spot there. And then we got some more stamps. This is a gusset pocket, and I have Velcro closures on it. And I made this journaling card out of that paper pad, and then I just put some extra little journaling papers. That little piece of washi wants to stay in this book. And so, yeah, so that's it for this video. I hope you're all doing well, and I hope you will look around my channel. If you liked my journal, give me a thumbs up and subscribe. I hope to have some more videos soon. I've been in a little bit of a funk lately. I haven't done much, but I will have some new videos up soon, and I hope you'll come back and join me. Thanks so much. Bye-bye.